Let me show you how to program the remote for your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener. As you can see, I have a remote here, and when I click it, nothing happens. To program it, I'm going to find the Learn button on the back of my opener's motor. Yours might look like mine, or it could be a square button that's orange, red, or purple. And what we'll do is, we'll press that Learn button, and when we do that, an indicator light will turn on. Then you're going to press and hold the button for your remote until you hear it click, and that light turns off. And that's it, your remote's programmed now. You might have noticed on my remote that I only have one button. If you had a 3-button remote, all you'd have to do is follow those same steps, and then when you went to press a button on your remote, you just press whichever button that you want to program to that motor. That way, in the event that you have 2 openers like I do, you could program one button to one and one button to the other, and you'd only have to have one remote. Now let's test it. And it works. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.